Top 5 reasons being an electrician is great in 2025. What's up, everybody? Look, I've been in the trades for almost 3 decades now. I started when I was just a kid who thought duct tape could fix anything. And let me tell you something. If I could go back and tell my 21-year-old self one thing, it would be this. Dude, seriously, consider becoming an electrician. Before we get started, smash that like button and subscribe. All right, let's get into it. Here's the thing. I'm half a century old now. 5 decades of breathing, and nearly 3 of those have been spent getting my hands dirty in HVAC. But electricity? That's the backbone of everything we do. Your phone dies without it. Your Netflix stops streaming. Your coffee maker becomes a fancy paperweight. Hell, even your Tesla becomes a very expensive lawn ornament. And the people who keep that all flowing, they're not just making good money, they're making stupid good money in 2025. Reason number 5, and we're starting here because holy crap, the money. Look, when I started in HVAC 15 years ago as a contractor, yeah, that's right, I've been running my own show for a decade and a half now. I thought I was doing pretty well, but electricians in 2025, they're laughing all the way to the bank. The average electrician is pulling in $60,000 to $80,000 a year. That's average, people. The good ones, the ones who know their stuff and hustle a little, 6 figures, easy. And if you go the contractor route like I did, sky is the limit, baby. I know electrical contractors clearing $200K to $300K, some even hitting $500,000. Between you and me, if I wasn't so deep into HVAC after 29 years of learning every nut and bolt in this business, I'd seriously think about switching. Speaking of making career decisions, if you're not afraid of heights, enjoy technical work, and want a high-paying career in a field that's exploding with demand, become an electrician is one of the smartest moves you can make without a degree or prior experience. From solar to EV charging stations, electricians are needed everywhere. And the demand is only growing. The fastest way to see if the career is right for you is to talk to Coura. This is Course Career's new AI career counselor. Coura will help you figure out if electrical work fits your goals, and then you can start the free intro course it suggests, just like students across multiple industries have used to break into high-paying careers fast without any experience or college degree. The intro course will show you exactly what the job is like and how to get hired within 4 to 12 weeks. I'll leave the link in my description and pin in the comments below for you to check out. Trust me, at my age, with all my experience, I wish something like this existed when I was starting out. Reason number 4, job security that would make a government employee jealous. Look, robots are coming for a lot of our jobs. AI is getting scary good at stuff. But you know what a robot can't do? Crawl into your nasty crawl space at 2 a.m. to figure out why your power keeps cutting out. They can't troubleshoot why a fancy smart home system is acting dumber and dumber. They can't troubleshoot why your fancy smart home system is acting dumber than a box of rocks. And they sure as hell can't look at a 50-year-old electrical panel and go, yeah, this is a fire waiting to happen. Plus, everything's going electric now. Cars, heat pumps, even barbecue grills. The demand isn't just staying steady, it's exploding. In my nearly 3 decades in the trade, I've seen economic downturns, housing crashes, pandemics, you name it. But you know who kept working through all of it? People who keep the lights on. Reason number 3, you get to be a real-life superhero. No cape, no fancy costume, just a tool belt and the power to make people's lives better. Think about it. When someone's power goes out, who do they call? Not the Avengers, they call you. You walk into someone's house when nothing works, their food's going bad, their kids can't do homework, their Wi-Fi's down, which is basically the end of the world for most people, and then you flip that breaker, you fix that connection, replace that outlet, and suddenly, lights, power, life flowing back in their home. I've been fixing HVAC systems for 15 years as a contractor, and let me tell you, making someone comfortable in their own home feels good, but bringing their entire world back to life, that's next level. You're not just fixing wires, you're fixing someone's day, their week, sometimes their whole damn month.
Hey, quick break here. If you're interested in a free course on getting into the trades, then click this link below.
Reason number 2, your brain never gets bored. After spending half my life in the trades, yep, that's 29 years of getting my education in the real world, I can tell you, boring jobs will kill your soul. But electricity, it's like a puzzle that keeps evolving. Smart homes, solar panels, electrical vehicle chargers, battery backup systems. The technology is changing faster than the fashion trends. One day you're wiring a traditional house, the next you're installing a Tesla Powerwall that will make the homeowner completely off-grid. It's like being a detective, engineer, and a magician all rolled into one. Here's a little secret. Most people are terrified of electricity. They think it's black magic. But once you understand it, once you can read those electrons like a book, you're basically Neo in the Matrix. Everyone else sees scary, sparky stuff. You see the code. And the number one reason being an electrician is great in 2025, respect. Real, genuine respect. Look, I've been a contractor for 15 years, been in HVAC for 29 total. I can tell you, there's a difference between being another worker and being the person everyone needs. When an electrician shows up, people listen. They don't question your expertise. They don't try to tell you how to do your job. Why? Because electricity can literally kill you if you screw it up. That respect translates to independence. Want to start your own business? Electricians have one of the highest success rates for going solo. Want to work for someone else but still be treated like the professional you are? You'll get that too. I spent 3 decades watching trades evolve. I've seen which ones get treated like artists and which ones get treated like, well, let's just say not as well. Electricians, they're the architects of the modern world. And in 2025, with everything going digital and electrical, you're not just respected, you're essential. How to get started. Now, how do you actually get into this gold mine? It's easier than you think. Most states require some combination of classroom learning and apprenticeship, usually 2 to 4 years total. Yeah, that sounds long, but remember, you're earning while you're learning. Apprentices start around $35,000 to $40,000 a year. Not bad for going to school, right? Community colleges offer electrical programs, trade schools too. Some even online now, or go the apprenticeship route directly through the electrician union or local contractor. Here's what I wish someone would have told me when I was starting out in the trades. Don't just pick any program. Research the job market in your area. Talk to actual electricians. Find out which path gets you working fastest. At 50 years old, having navigated this industry for nearly 3 decades, I can tell you, the best investment you'll ever make is in a skill that people always need. Let me tell you about my buddy Mike. 12 years ago, he was working retail, hated his life, barely making $30K, getting treated like garbage by customers and management. Today, he's got his own electrical contracting business, just bought a house, takes vacations without checking his bank account first. The best part? He loves Monday mornings now. Loves them. Or Sarah, who started her apprenticeship 7 years ago at 35. She was a single mom. Thought she was too old to start over. Now she's a master electrician making more than her ex-husband's lawyer. These aren't fairy tales. This is what happens when you pick a trade that actually matters. After 15 years as an HVAC contractor and 29 years total in the trade, I've seen hundreds of these stories. The common thread? They all started with someone who decided they were worth more than settling. If you're having some trouble deciding what trade career to choose, check out Course Careers. Talk to Coura. This is Course Careers' new AI career counselor. Coura will help you decide if HVAC, plumbing, electrical, construction project managing, construction estimating, architectural drafting, and supply chain coordinator fits your goals. And then you can start the free intro course it suggests, just like students across multiple industries have used to break out into high-paying careers fast without any experience or college degree. The intro course will show you exactly what the job is like day to day and teach you how to get hired within 4 to 12 weeks. I'll leave the link in my description and pinned in the comments below for you to check out. I'm not saying electrician work is easy. You'll get dirty. You'll work weird hours sometimes. You'll encounter problems that make you want to throw your tools and become a yoga instructor. But after 3 decades in this business, half a century on this planet, I can tell you one thing for sure. There's no better feeling than being really, really good at something the world desperately needs. And in 2025, the world desperately needs electricians. If this video helped you, smash that like button. If you want more unfiltered trade career advice, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And hey, how many electricians does it take to change a light bulb? None. They just hold the bulb and let the world revolve around them. Let's face it, it pretty much does anyways. Peace out.